So the next type of operator that we are going to discuss is assignment operator. Normally, assignment operator in C is the equals operator, and there are several other assignment operator, which is like an arithmetic operator followed by the equals symbol, and like these things minus equals or arithmetic multiplication equals, then or division equals, something like this. So let us try to understand each of them one after another. So equals symbol means it will assign the value, the right hand side of value, into the left hand side identifier. For example, let's say int I is an identifier, and if you want to put a value of 10 inside I, then you can do like I equals 10. And once this is done, if you print out the value of I using cout like this, then it will print, sorry, I forgot the semicolon over here. That's why it is throwing me an error that is expecting semicolon in here. So if I run it, as you can see, it is printing the value of I as 10. So not only I, let's say there is a variable I equals 10, and then I have defined another variable called, let's say, int I1 equals 30. It is also possible to assign one variable inside another, like for example, like I equals I1. What this expression will do is it will put the value of I1 inside I, not the other way. Be very careful about that. The right hand side operand's value will be put inside the left hand side's value, not the other way. So value of I1 will be put in I, that is value of right hand side operand will be put inside the left hand side, not the other way. So now if you just print the value of I, you can expect that value of I have been changed to 30. So this is the result. So as it is expected, it is 30. So this is what the main assignment operator, that is the equal symbol, it works in the same way as mathematics, no difference. Now let us try to understand all these other assignment operators. So well, these type of operands are like a shorthand form of these these arithmetic operation followed by the assignment operator. So let me get rid of this part and let's focus on this. So before going to this plus equals symbol, let us try to understand what is the value of, let's say, int I. I have a variable. Now if I do something like, let's say I has a value of 10 here. Now I want to increment the value of I by 30 and then again assign it inside I. So what can I do? Once again, I want to increment the value of variable I by 30 and then put it again inside I. So what can I do is I equals I plus 30. I have incremented the value of I by 30 and then again put it inside I. So that's what I did. So if I print the value now, cout I, what will it print? The expected value is 40 because I was 10, 10 plus 30 equals 40, and it is again put inside I. So let's see whether the value is 40 or not. So as expected, it is 40. Now this plus equals is simply the shorthand form of this entire expression. So I equals I plus 30. Instead of writing this, you can write I plus equals 30. So equals I plus. Instead of writing this, you are just replacing it to plus equals 30. And if you do this, then you are going to get the same value as 40. So the same way, let's see an example with this division operator. So let me just comment this part out and let's do this. So I equals, let's say the value of I is 10 and I want to divide I by 2 and then again put the value inside I. So I equals I divided by 2. So let me get rid of this part first. So I equals I divided by 2. So what should be the final value of I? So 10 divided by 2 means 5. So if I just run it, it is printing 5. And once again, using this shorthand notation, what I can do is, instead of writing I equals I divided by, I can directly write down I divided by equals 2. And if I do this, I will see the impact is same, like this. So this is what is the meaning of these plus equals, minus equals, multiplication equals, and division equals. So they just do the arithmetic operation first and then assign the value in the same variable once again.